talking about this month's EDC and carry gun. We have the m&p 2.0 with the Streamlight TLR1, a Vortex Defender red dot, some goon tape, stock trigger. Yeah, let's get into it. Overall, I really recommend this gun. It's kind of big to carry, but it feels great in the hand. Stock internals, stock trigger, just put a red dot on it, and a flashlight. It's kind of big, kind of bulky, but I feel like if you're gonna carry something, I think you should be comfortable with shooting it. I don't really like shooting smaller handguns. I feel like they're just really snappy in the hands.